We're going to take a look at how Cabinet Parts Pro determines how many drawer boxes a particular cabinet is going to get, why you may not get or see any drawer boxes calculated at all, and we're just going to jump right into it. So we're going to be using a base cabinet, a cabinet width of 30, height of 30, a depth of 12. Then we are going to add that to the list, noticing that I did have the option set for drawer holes and a drawer box. So once that is added to the list, we're going to calculate and nest. And notice that we only have one sheet and no drawer boxes have been added. So let's take a step back and look and investigate why drawer boxes were not added. So we're going to go into Tools, Settings, and we're going to take a look at the drawer brand settings under Drawer Setup, Edit Brands, and I'm using the Accuride brand. And notice that the actual length, or the smallest actual length that we have entered in here, is 11.82 inches, which means for a 12-inch deep cabinet, we do not have a cabinet slide entered in here that will actually fit inside of a 12-inch deep cabinet. So we're going to close the settings. We could modify the drawer brand settings just for quick demonstration. We're going to increase that cabinet depth from 12 to 14 and calculate and nest. This time we do see more parts and we have drawer boxes. So these are the bottoms of the drawer box, even though the part name is listed as back. Think of a drawer box as a cabinet, so the bottom of a drawer box is actually, the back is actually the bottom. The sides are the sides, but the tops and bottoms of a drawer box are actually the fronts and the backs. So now let's take a look at why did we get a total of 2 drawer boxes, which means that it was split in half to have 2 top drawers. So I'm going to close the nesting, and I'm going to make the change only for the particular cabinet that is entered in. So I right click and click Edit, and I'm going to take a look at the Add Doors. It really should be Add Doors / Drawers. This is where you are able to set the reveals and the sizes that are used to calculating the door and drawer fronts, but it also is used to determine how many drawers a particular cabinet is going to get. Right now we have it set to give us a single drawer front or drawer box for any cabinet that is less than 21 inches. So I'm going to increase that to 36 and save our settings. Also want to point out one mention here under Edit Drawer Brands. Remember this 11.82 inches. We'll now recalculate and nest after changing the drawer front or drawer box less than 21 inches up to 36. We now have a single drawer front or drawer box that is set for this particular cabinet. I did want to mention how the depth of this box is set. That depth is based on the drawer slide that was selected to be used for this cabinet. So this cabinet has a width, or drawer box has a width or a depth of 11.82 inches. That is the depth of the drawer slide of the biggest slide that could fit inside of the depth of that cabinet. So if we increase the depth from 14 to 21, we are going to get a deeper drawer box because we have a longer drawer slide that would fit within the interior space of the depth of that box. So hopefully this clears up some aspects of why you get different drawer box counts based on the width, and why you may not see a drawer box calculated at all.